Hope you like house chores, because we're cleaning the glass. This is Rebound Relay. Use a half court. Then place 2 cones on the 3-point line. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into 2 teams lined up at each cone. You stand at the free throw line with the ball. The first player in each line starts standing underneath the basket. The game begins when you shoot the ball and miss on purpose. The 2 players under the basket compete to grab the rebound, put the ball back up, and score. The first player to score gets a point. They then run to the back of their lines, and the next 2 players are up. Play until everyone in each line gets a turn. Whichever team has the most points wins the round. Players will have more success securing the rebound if they remember to box out, positioning themselves between their opponent and the basket, hips bent, feet wide, and arms outstretched. When they have space, they can pivot and lay it in for a point, like that.